Hey Jerry, Jessica here with Genuine Leads. So here is a customized video for you. I'm gonna go over and give you some pointers and tips on how to bring more traffic into your site, okay? So I'm gonna go over a few things. So the first thing I'm gonna go over is command content. So anywhere on your homepage where you have any types of words, Google would like to see at least 1,500 words of command content. Okay, and for that reason, Google crawls websites 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. In doing so, they want to know what services you offer and what areas you serve, okay? So right now you're at 1,293 words of command content. So you would definitely have to bring that up to the 1,500 mark. Depending on the niche, they want to see at least 1,500 to 2,000, okay? So I went ahead and typed in Air Duct, Brentwood, Tennessee, because I see this is one of the areas that you service out of. And right here you'll see the Google Guaranteed Paid Ads. And if you want to know more about that, I am happy to help you with that. And this right here is the Google Map Pack. And you want to try and be top 3 here. And this generates about 30% of traffic to your website each month. Okay, and there's actually 3 ways to boost up your listing. One would be reviews. 2 is pictures, because Google loves pictures. So the more pictures you have, the better. And 3 is citations. That's anytime your business name, address, and phone number is listed into another website, Google will issue you 1 citation for that. So the more citations you have for that, it will actually help you boost up your organic listings as well, okay? So this right here is your organic listings, and you want to try and be top 3 here as well. And this generates about 70% of traffic to your website each month also, okay? So I went ahead and took your website and put it into a software that I use. And this right here is your trust factor with Google. And they rate this from 0 to 100, and you're 22. And this is your power rating. This is how Google sees your website, like how powerful your website is to Google. And you're 0.3. You have 606 backlinks. And backlink is pretty much a shout out from another website. You have 66 organic keywords, and that's anytime, for example, that a customer would type into Google in order to find your services. Then you have about 7 people on your website per month, okay? So we would definitely need to boost up your command content with the right SEO package. Get up your keywords. Because the more keywords you have, the more you're going to rank for those keywords to bring in more traffic. And then your backlinks simply help bring up your power rating. Okay. But just remember though, one thing on backlinks though, it's not how many backlinks you have, it's the quality and quantity of backlinks you have, okay? But I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. I just hope this was a little bit of useful information to you. You can take this information though and deal with it whatever way you please. You can either do it yourself or you can simply give me a call. But please do me a favor, give me some feedback on this. Even if you're absolutely not interested, that's fine. No harm, no foul in that. But if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, okay? I'll leave my information in the description below. But thank you so much for watching this, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day.